Hi, this is Dina for Splitcoaststampers. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this diamond-shaped ornament based on a photo tutorial by Beate Johns, which was published to our site in 2008. I am starting with a pre-stamped piece of cardstock that is 3.5 inches wide and 8 inches long, and I'm scoring from the short side at 1/2 inch and 3 inches. And then I'll turn it a quarter turn and score at 1/2 inch, 3 inches, and 5.5 inches. For the next step, we'll do some cutting on those 1/2 inch tabs. So on the left side, I'm going to cut up from the bottom to the first score line, and then cut out to the edge at an angle. At the next score line, cut a notch. And then notch in and out at the top corner where the score lines cross. On the right side, I'm going to cut up to the second score line from the bottom. Cut out at an angle again. And notch the corner just like on the other side. Now we need to make some diagonal score lines. And to help me do that, I have a line marked on my scoring board. It is a little faded and I do need to remark it with a Sharpie, but anyway, it's helpful to have a line marked on your board when you're doing diagonal scoring. It's so easy to eyeball things wrongly, so it's nice to have that guide. So the first score line will go from the top left of the first square here to the bottom right, and then zigzag from corner to corner down the other section. So cross the other way on the center square. And the last score line will be parallel to the first one that we made. In the photo tutorial, this is when Beate did her stamping, and you could wait to do that here if you wanted to be sure certain images were placed carefully on the sides of the ornament. I did an all-over pattern, and I found it easier to do before the panel was scored, so you can make that decision just based on your design. Those 4 little 1/2 inch sections will be the box tabs for our little ornament now, so they will need strong adhesive. And then we'll go ahead and fold on all the score lines to get ready to assemble the ornament. To hang the ornament, you'll need some fine cord or thread or twine, and I tied a knot in mine just for a little extra hold in the corner. Flip your cardstock strip over and fold in the lowest tab there. Lay the hanger in the fold, and the bottom section of the cardstock is just going to fold straight over onto that adhesive, lining up the side in the corner. And that creates the top section of the diamond. Next, you're going to tuck in one of the side tabs, and it doesn't matter which side you choose. Just remove the adhesive liner and line up the fold of the tab piece inside of the edge that's next to it and adhere it down. And you can pinch it together or get your fingers inside and press those edges together. So here is how the remaining side connects. If you want to tuck a treat or a jingle bell inside your ornament, now is the time to do that. If not, go ahead and remove those last 2 adhesive liners and tuck the tabs inside the opening of the ornament to adhere and finish your project. You can embellish the top of the ornament if you want. I added a little tag and a glittery die cut to mine. Also, if you'd like to make a different size ornament, click over to the photo tutorial for a formula to figure out your starting dimensions. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays.